hit the car. It looks like a Moana movie.
I am not staying with you.
This is one of the cleanest and clearest water that I've ever seen. Please don't be like Varenya, be like Shrima. Also spotted like such big turtle. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Me and Varenya are here in Goa. So we're gonna stay here for one day and go to Lakshadweep, which is our final destination. But again, to go back to Hyderabad, we have to come back to Goa and then go to Hyderabad. So now we just landed and we are checking into our hotel. We took a hotel called Silent Beach Resort. This is a new one that we wanted to try out. She's so excited. First we thought that bungalow is the hotel and we got scammed, but then later discovered this place and it looks so cute. I really love it. And the beach is right here. Room is quite small for 8,000 rupees, I feel. No?
Yeah.
It's like a small cabin. Let's see what's in here. Okay, we have this cupboard storage. Us. And the washroom. It's actually quite similar to the Montego, but Montego is way better. Renia somehow convinced me to get into the water, so I quickly changed into my bikini. She went out. Actually, there's a shop close by to buy cover up. I hope she finds it. By that time, I'll go to this restaurant right here, which is very, very close, just beside the Silent Resort. By the way, we all, like me and Varenya, were thinking that this one is in Mojim because that's what it showed on booking.com. But apparently this is Ashwem Beach, and Ashwem Beach is actually very, very nice. I feel like I like it a little more than Mojim Beach. Varenya just hit the car to a tree that we took for rent, and now like nothing major happened. Like there's a very, very minor dent for which we came to the mechanic shop, and he said like we can get it repaired just with hot water. So we came to a restaurant now. The culprit. We came to a restaurant now to get hot water. This is just so. This is BT. This is actual BT.
I don't think our trip goes or ends without a BT.
Without a BT time.
So we're gonna just chill.
Somehow ఆ హాట్ వాటర్తోని ఆయన డెంట్ తీసేసినారు. దాని తర్వాత మేము కొంచెం రీటైల్ థెరపీ అని వస్తుంది ఇంత స్ట్రెస్ తర్వాత అని షాపింగ్ వెళ్ళాం. అశ్వం రోడ్లో ఇట్లాంటి చిన్న చిన్న బుటీక్స్ చాలా ఉండే. కలెక్షన్ కూడా క్యూట్ ఉంది కానీ చాలా ప్రైజీ ఉండే. Done with the shopping and now we are back to the same restaurant that we came to for in the evening because it looks so damn pretty. It's actually a resort. I think next time we are going to stay here. It's called Ashwem 361 or 351, something like that. But looks very good. Hi guys, it's day 2 and we are at the airport again. It's literally 4 a.m. We woke up, we actually slept at 11:30 p.m. last night and woke up at 2:30. No sleep at all. It's been 2 days that I slept. But here back again to go to Lakshadweep, and I'm actually very, very, very excited. The guy who gave us the car, he kind of didn't recognize that something had happened at all because we got it repaired, and yeah, thank God. Otherwise it would have been like a big scene and everything. Varenya to noste at least 2 hours prior untadi airport. Enduko telvadu. Ippudu mem em chestamo kuda telvadu. But she literally got me at 4 a.m. when the flight is at 6 a.m.
Yeah,
How do you feel,
1
honey?
hour prior.
It's not 1 hour prior. It's 1.5 hour prior to the boarding. So to give you guys a little context on to why we came to Goa and we are going to Lakshadweep from Goa. So So the Lakshadweep trip, the 2 days trip, is actually hosted by a company called the Yellow Company, which is a travel agency, and they said that they have flights from Goa to Lakshadweep, and that's the reason we came to Goa. We spent a day, and then we are going to come back to again Goa. We're going to spend 1 to 2 days again in Goa itself and go back to Hyderabad from there. I know there's a lot of confusion, a lot of back and forth and too many flights, but if you have like fly 91 from your city, from whatever city you are, to Lakshadweep, I will really suggest you guys to take that. You don't have to like specifically come to Goa, but if you don't have, then you can just come to Goa, spend like a day or two, and then go to Lakshadweep from there. There are apparently other creators who are coming on the trip, and they are very new to me. Like I've never seen them before, or I've never spoken to them before. So it's going to be like a new adventure where like I'm going to spend time with new people. This is something very, very new, but at the same time I'll have Varenya, who is obviously my comfort zone. Right now she went to the washroom, by the way. While checking in, everything was super normal, but one thing that was different was they asked for a permit. Now because the travel agency has done everything for me, I'll let you guys know like what is the entire process and all of that, because I really want you guys also to be able to feel like going to Lakshadweep is easy and not like quite difficult, or we have to wait for a month and all of that. It's literally 4:30 and our breakfast is already here. It's dosa, which makes me the happiest. I also took buttermilk because coffee will not make me sleep in the flight and I really want to. This is ghee Mysore masala dosa. So we just landed in Lakshadweep at Agati Airport, but sadly it's raining. I don't know how long this is gonna be for, and it's quite windy as well. If it's gonna rain all day, I think we are gonna skip some activities like scuba and all of that. The bikini we bought will be
No way.
will not be used.
I am wearing that bikini no matter what. Even if a thunderstorm is coming down, I'm gonna wear that bikini.
Let's go! Agati Airport is literally the tiniest airport I've seen ever. It's like 2 big rooms together, but it's very cute. I like it. Like it's not bad at all. It's very, very cute. I'm gonna cry. Look at that water color. It's blue with white sand.
My favorite.
Our cab is finally here, and Varsham kuda koncham takvaindi. It's not totally gone. It's still cloudy, but it's much better now. We spent 2.5 hours here.
Yeah.
We spent 2.5 hours here, and some of us did not have breakfast. Thankfully, we did have like good breakfast.
Thanks to me.
Thanks to me. Hello, I got the dosa, and
No, I made you get up at 2:30.
shut up.
She wouldn't have. I'm sure. I'm so sure she wouldn't get up.
Yeah. Finally, we are going.
But there's 2 hours.
Yeah, 2 hours of ferry ride. It's fine actually. Like even in Bali and all of that, if you want to reach islands, it usually takes like 3 hours in a ferry and all of that.
Do you want to eat this?
It's not healthy.
Oh, maybe you should eat this. This is very healthy. Healthiest food.
So we got this. Ema yeppindi din peru.
What's the name of this? Called the Balua.
I think that's a wrong name, but anyway, it's basically made with coconut
How
and
do you know that?
jaggery.
Wrong name, as if you invented Lakshadweep.
Because what he told me 2 minutes ago was completely
So
different.
he was like the Banta or the Balua.
Halwa.
Balua.
Halwa.
Bro, what is... You don't know shit, okay?
Chepu review Edlund. It's 25 rupees each.
It's good.
It's good.
It's not too sweet. So...
we boarded the ferry, and on the way we got to see dolphins, and it was the best feeling. We're almost here. It's quite sunny, and I love the fact that it's sunny and it's not raining. And you have to see the view right here. Just look at it. It looks like a Moana movie, and it's so good. We are here in Pravig, and it looks so beautiful. I love the domes right there. What's this?
This is pineapple.
Some mango.
Pineapple.
Pravig is in Bangaram Island. Deentlo snail and cocoon domes unde. Maak book chesindi cocoon, which was very spacious. Nakaithe chaala nachindi. This is like the best mirror ever. Like this is like the exact proportion.
Be whatever you want.
Yeah.
I'm sure this was a funny thing.
Yeah, I hope so.
I'm not.
Hey,
I'm
my
not staying with you. I'll show you why. It's an open bathroom, guys.
But it's actually cute. Walk in anytime that your partner is shy.
I am not staying with you.
It's gonna be so much fun.
Look at her, like so evil. She has a problem.
Then తొందరగా ఫ్రెష్ అప్ అయ్యి రెస్టారెంట్కి వెళ్ళాం. మేము ఫుల్ ఆకల్లో ఉండే అండ్ వీ హ్యాడ్ దిస్ యమ్మీ ఫుడ్. అప్పటికి మాకు వేరే క్రియేటర్స్ ఇంకా ఎవరు పరిచయం కాలేదు. సో ఇట్ వాస్ అ లిటిల్ ఆక్వర్డ్, బట్ ద రెస్టారెంట్ హ్యాడ్ గ్లాస్ ఆల్ ఓవర్, విచ్ వాస్ వెరీ నైస్.
Look at the.
Just look at that water. I'm telling you, I'm not even kidding. This is one of the cleanest and clearest water that I've ever seen. I went to Maldives, I went to Europe. I'm telling you, water there is amazing. Not gonna lie at all. Those places are really good. But this is insanely clear and clean. Maybe because it's very unexplored, and this one is getting, you know, popular now. I really hope we'll be able to like maintain this like this itself. But I feel like before humans destroy this island, come and visit. At this point, I feel like I really would want to get my boyfriend to experience this, because I think he's going to really love it. We changed our clothes. I am basically wearing a bikini inside this. The same one that I wore yesterday, and we didn't end up swimming. So I'm wearing this. This is actually a dress. I wore it as a cover up, and now we are getting onto the jetty. So we are getting onto the ferry, and we have couple of things on our itinerary to do. One is turtle watching.
Yeah.
That's so cute. I'm actually very excited. It's very rare to sight turtles in general, even in underwater. But they say they have like a turtle beach, or like a place where we can sight a lot of turtles. We have also sighted dolphins. You guys know already. And I personally felt very lucky, because in Maldives, I remember like last 2 years ago, I have paid $70 per person to just go and watch dolphins, and here on the way we just watched them for free. Like, you know, it was so beautiful. So just seems like everything is working in our luck. We are planning to get into the water, and after that, I don't know what is it. There's a sunset point and everything. So itinerary seems a little packed, but I'm up for it, because I don't like to, like, you know, sit in the room for hours together and waste my time, unlike my sister, because she's like, let me just sleep in the room, you go and chill.
Cause I'm tired. Like, look at the beach.
So please don't be like Varenya, be like Srimai. Always make sure you're exploring and trying out new things.
అరే మనం జెట్స్ కి ఇద్దరమే నడుపుదామా?
నువ్వు నడుపు, నేను వెనకాల కూర్చుంటా.
ఒక పంచే ఇక్కడ కూర్చో.
I don't like jet skis and ATVs. They are like, you know, once I was about to die on a ATV.
Die. Straight up die.
I'm not kidding. They gave an ATV in Lonavala. You were there, and I couldn't press the brake because it was too hard. And I was going to fall into a river stream, and I don't even know how to swim. And the river stream was very harsh. So obviously I was going to die.
Victim.
We had such a nice dip and the water was so damn good, you guys, so damn good. And now we just came to the Turtle Island. Basically, ikkada evvaru undaru ee Turtle Island la, but they just want us to rest for some time and rest until literally like 5 to 10 minutes rest, have some coconut water and some coconut which is naturally sourced, and then go to the sandbank, I think, or a sunset point. I'm okay with whatever because I'm so happy right now. And I also spotted like such big turtles. Of course, like I couldn't film anything in the country. They just, you know, run away in some time. They don't like the boat sound at all, but they were so huge, so huge. So nice. Is the island where nobody lives, and these locals are going to source kallu for me, kallu and neera. Tamil, in Tamil, kalla
Jasari.
jasari meera neera
Meera.
Meera. So here in Lakshadweep, they speak Jasari, which is a mix of Malayalam, Telugu, Tamil and Kannada, it seems, which is very interesting. So there are so many words which are like very similar. So Kallu and Neera is what we call in Telugu, right? And here they are calling it Kal or Meera, Meera. But ఏదో ఒకటి మొత్తానికి అది కళ్ళు అనే అర్థమైంది కాబట్టి పోయి నేను అండ్ వరిన్య we thought of like trying it out. Are you trying it with me?
Yes.
Of course. We are the only two who, I think, who are interested in kallu, neera, toddy, whatever they are
Kadu,
giving.
what is it called? Kallu.
Kallu.
Kall or Meera?
Meera. Yeah.
Fun.
In Jasari, it's called Meera.
Okay.
Their language. So apparently British people came and they put this saying that this belonged to India, and this is the emblem, it seems. That's what he's telling. Oh my goodness.
Now Shrima is trying.
అక్కడ లోకల్స్ చాలా వార్మ్ అండ్ వెల్కమింగ్ ఉండే విచ్ ఫెల్ట్ వెరీ వెరీ నైస్. కళ్ళు ఆర్డర్ చేసిన ఉన్నాయి కదా, అండ్ హీ యాక్చువల్లీ గాట్ అస్ 2 glasses ఆఫ్ కళ్ళు. ఇట్స్ ఆల్రెడీ హియర్. మీ అండ్ వరిన్య ఆర్ yet to taste. Cheers. అంది కదా, నేను నచ్చలే.
Nachindi.
It's actually nice.
Tingly feeling వస్తలే. That is Kallu.
Feeling Dashra today. There was some drinks and party session going on, but me and Varinya are super tired and I just want to go and crash on the bed, and that's why we came here to have our dinner. We just had some dal makhani and jeera rice, like comfort food, and now we're gonna go sleep. Hi guys, it's day 2 in Lakshadweep and this is the last day in Lakshadweep. So we just woke up, it's 8:30 and we are going to a beach breakfast, and I'm very excited. I've never done that. Usually it's in the restaurant, and now actually it was at 7:30, but we didn't end up waking up because literally last night we were sleeping. I didn't even realize when I fell asleep, and I chose never to woke up. Like, it was so good. Much needed sleep. That's where our breakfast is.
How do you feel, Shrima, being a couple with me?
I love it. We are doing all couple stuff.
Dosa, idli, sambar, chutney.
We came inside to eat because there was too much heat outside. It was supposed to happen at 7:30, but we didn't end up waking up so early. So I think we are all going to eat inside, but took really cute pictures on the beach. We just came to the Nemo bar to have this drink, and after this we are going to go to the diving center. I think they are going to brief us a little bit about the diving and train us a little bit, and then we have to select our diving suit and all of that and get ready. I am super excited, but I'm more excited for Varinya because that's her first time. How excited are you, honey?
Super excited.
And how nervous are you, honey?
I'm super scared also.
Yeah, she's acting. She's like, I'm super excited, but actually she's nervous as well. But there's nothing to be nervous. Like, it's going to be fun. You should always treat like you're going to their home, like their kingdom,
Yeah.
like their world, and see all of it. No matter how many times you do scuba diving, it's always less because the marine life in different places is quite different. I've done twice in Maldives, I've done in Vietnam, Europe, and all of that. So it's very different from each other. Nigalsa, Vietnam, it's man-made corals that they did.
Oh.
Yeah. But here it's not like that. It's all natural, and apparently the sea life is amazing here. So excited! All ready for scuba diving. Actually, outfits మా కిచ్చినారు కాబట్టి వేసుకొని మేము డైవింగ్ సెంటర్కి వెళ్తున్నాం. ఫిన్స్ వేరే గేర్ అంతా వాళ్ళే ఇస్తారు. ఐల్ హ్యావ్ టు సీ ఇఫ్ ద ప్రీవియస్ టీమ్ గాట్ బ్యాక్ సో దట్ మేము డైవింగ్కి వెళ్ళొచ్చు. పాపం వారిని ఎంతో షీఈస్ నర్వస్ అండ్ ఎక్సైటెడ్ అట్ ద సేమ్ టైమ్. షీఈస్ లైక్ వాట్ డూ ఐ డూ ఇఫ్ ఐ కాంట్ బ్రీత్, బట్ దెర్ ఇస్ నథింగ్ టు లైక్ బీ స్కేర్డ్. యూ జస్ట్ హ్యావ్ టు బ్రీత్ with your mouth, and they'll teach you like couple of symbols. If you're not feeling well, you can tell them underwater. Just cycle to yepochu anamata. So yes, girlie is ready for scuba diving. We just got to know that memu mavi ulta eskunnam, so now we are again wearing it. These are the tankers which will be behind us. They're quite heavy, but in the water, you won't really actually feel the weight.
Bro, this is like 100 kgs.
Yeah, but you won't feel the weight inside the water.
I'll just give you a briefing, like the small briefing, because how do you do in the water, what equipments we are using, so we want to know that, no?
Baru, how was it? We again went for a swim because Nenu Varenya are water babies and we couldn't get over water even after scuba. Look at the palms. Look at the color of the I feel like I'm somewhere. Look at the clear water. And this is India.
Yeah, I can't believe it.
I want to come every month. Me too. And I also got tanned so bad. I don't know if you guys can see already. But right now we changed into our normal clothes after a great swim. I'm telling you, this ocean is so good. Like, this beach is one of the best beaches that I've ever come across. And in India though, it's literally the best. I feel like there's no competition to it. So I'm definitely gonna come back to this place for sure, probably with my parents or with my partner, I don't know who, but I do really want everyone to experience this beach because it's so beautiful, so clear. It's like a pool, beautiful pool. Can't believe it's natural because it's very serene, very beautiful. And I'm just so happy that
Oh my god!
there's a honeybee.
Oh, that was embarrassing.
Yeah, that was embarrassing. I had my first scuba. Oh my god. How was it?
It was very emotional.
Yeah.
It was so peaceful.
First time scuba is actually very emotional. I can't really tell you why, how, and all of that, but you should experience that. We are having manchow soup, chicken manchow. Post lunch, we were getting ready for snorkeling at the diving center.
They gave her baby jacket.
We got onto the ferry with all our snorkeling equipment. Nenu jacket eskone chestuna and we are going to a place called Shipwreck.
Snorkeling. ఎన్నిసార్లు చెప్పాలక్క అక్క
మినిమం ఒక 10 times చెప్పాలి లేకపోతే అసలు 3 సార్లు apparently we are going to this place called Shipwreck, where 200 years ago oka ship irigipoyi mungipoyindanta. So we are going to snorkel and see that old ship and all of that, which is very nice because I feel like this is very nice and different. మేము ఆల్రెడీ ఫిష్ అవన్నీ యూజ్ చేసినాం లోపల కాబట్టి సీయింగ్ సంథింగ్ లైక్ దిస్ వుడ్ బి అ లిటిల్ డిఫరెంట్. సో యా, వెరీ వెల్ ప్లాన్. After snorkeling, we danced on the beach, did jet ski for some time and also played caroms. Then we freshened up and went for a candlelight dinner with the entire team. So beautiful in the air.
Yeah, very cute.
So nice. It actually gives me all the date vibes.
Yeah,
Wow. Too romantic with my sister. What if she falls in love with me?
Oh my god, I'm
The next morning, we boarded the Fly 91 flight at Agatti to reach Goa again. Hi guys, it's day 4 and we are back in Goa. It was a long ride. We woke up, we slept for literally 1 hour. We are so tired and I'm also super tanned. So we just came to Montego by the beach. We are staying there. So we came to this cafe called Unplugged and we called for a fish, because obviously we'll get it very fresh here and I wanted to taste something apart from the roti and rice. So yeah, super tired. Today is just going to be us eating and resting. That's about it. We have the whole day tomorrow as well, so we are gonna check out in the morning and probably go to a place, like we'll go to different places, we'll probably go to shopping and all of that. So tomorrow is going to be a long day. Today is just going to be rest. We slept the entire day and dinner ki we went to this place called Jamun, went back to the hotel room and slept again. The last day in Goa and also of the trip, we came to Thalassa Boutique Resort because we wanted to shop a couple of clothes. We don't have much to do today. It's just shopping, and we also booked a pottery class which we are going to attend in a while. So we thought we can pick up some beautiful clothes or bikinis and cover-ups, you know, maybe for a next vacation. So yeah, we came to Thalassa. This one is not the main Thalassa in Seolim. This is the Thalassa in Mandrim and it's quite beautiful. Look at that. There's one shop that also seems like it's closed, so we are searching for another one. We'll ask that. Excuse me, ये जो कपड़ों का शॉप है वो खुला नहीं है क्या? 2 p.m. But I'll anyway show you this place. It's quite beautiful. I did end up buying one piece which was very expensive. It was literally 11,000 rupees. If I show you guys, you'll tell me it was not worth it, but I really loved it. I think it was looking very luxe and I loved it. I could see myself wearing it a lot, so I ended up buying it. Post that, now we came to the Arambol beach. There's one thing called Sweet Water Lake Arambol. If you like to swim in a lake or do kayaking, then that's a very nice spot. But we are not going to do any of those. Like I said, we are here for shopping. So there are a couple of stores on the way to this beach which are really cute. In the Arambol, mostly there are Russian stores and all of that. So the pieces are a little better than what we find on the streets, because these are actual stores. So me and Varenya are gonna try shopping there and see if we can get anything nice. We can also get the Solid Masti Kurkure here. आपका शॉप का नाम क्या है?
लीलामा क्रिएशन से
हाँ.
ऑन अरम्बोल बीच रोड पे लास्ट पार्किंग के पास में.
I was today years old that I found out there's something called finger massage. Both of us love pottery, so we booked a pottery class in Marty Studio and the place was so magical. We are done with the pottery session and now we came to Saz on the beach, and this one is also very pretty. Really like this place, and the beach also is super calm. We should have actually booked something like this, like either Thalassa Boutique or the Siraya, I think this has on the beach resort's name. It's quite nice. We spent our entire evening at Saz on the beach. It was very, very peaceful and we had a night flight. So we boarded our flight and came back home. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this video.